guys, welcome back to my channel. Can chronic stress literally shrink the size of your brain? Well, according to some scientists, the hormone cortisol is released in response to a number of different stressors and inflammation. Studies have linked people with high level of cortisol with poorer memory, attention deficit, and smaller brain volumes. Some scientists even states that chronic stress can cause long-term changes to the brain, leading to anxiety and mood disorders. Check out my videos on how to reduce stress and anxiety. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!